Whether you're renovating an existing home or building from the ground up, Owens Corning has the right insulation for your application. It's not just the next generation of pink insulation, it's the right choice for precision, comfort, and safety. Specify pink next-gen fiberglass bats for wood and metal-framed wall, floor, and ceiling cavity applications. When achieving a Grade 1 install and passing inspection the first time are top of mind. Thermofiber Fire and SoundGuard Plus is the first hybrid mineral wool bat insulation that offers thermal performance, noise control, and fire resistance for both interior and exterior walls, floors, and ceilings. Consider Thermofiber for a home's fire-prone areas, such as kitchens, as well as spaces like home offices, home theaters, and playrooms, where soundproofing and internal acoustics are a priority. When it comes to water resistance, not all insulations are created equally. Foamular NGX XPS insulation has up to 25% more insulating power and 10 times the water resistance of standard EPS products. Consider Foamular NGX for damp, below-grade applications, including exterior foundation walls. Foamular can also be specified as continuous insulation underneath siding and below concrete floors. Did you know that loose fill is the fastest growing type of wall insulation? ProPink L77 fiberglass loose fill insulation supports fast applications and is available in a variety of R values. Choose ProPink for blown walls as well as attic re-insulation projects, and enjoy the performance benefits of Owens Corning fiberglass with fast installs. When spray foam is the right choice for your application, look no further than Natural Polymers. Natural Polymers products, including Ultra Pure and Natural Therm, give discerning builders and insulation contractors an SPF solution that they can feel confident about. With innovative chemistry, Ultra Pure spray foam is designed to minimize odors and VOC emissions before, during, and after application. Owens Corning Residential Insulation, the right insulation for the right application.